What's up friends, welcome to my channel. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Xiaomi is introducing the MIJIA water purifier 1200G Pro and available at price of $280 in comparison to the MIJIA water purifier 200G. This 1200G Pro mainly adds zero stale water 3.0 technology, intelligent adjustment of pure water ratio, intelligent touch screen display, and multi-speed quantitative water extraction functions. This water purifier monitors water quality, identifies the TDS value of incoming water, and dynamically adjusts the pure wastewater ratio according to the water quality in the real time. For those unfamiliar, TDS stands for total dissolved solids, which is the measure of the total concentration of dissolved substance in water, including organic salts and organic matter. If the TDS of water is equal to 150 ppm, the purifier sets the wastewater to pure water ratio to 1. If the TDS less than 150 ppm, the wastewater to pure water ratio goes up to 3:2. The wastewater to pure water ratio goes up to 3:1. This is better than an average residential RO system. This is better than an average residential RO system that offers a wastewater to pure water ratio of 4:1. In addition to all of that, the purifier also supports smart connectivity through the Xiaomi Home app, which can be very useful to check the water quality of to control water dispensing remotely. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.